Hello everyone. Today I want to do a video that focus about an animal that I love to grow every year in my garden. Okay, now this is called Sunfinity Double Yellow. So it is actually a sunflower, as you can see. And what is so good about this sunflower is it will repeat very well from spring all the way until frost. And you actually do not require to deadhead it if you don't have time for it. Now, of course, everything will look better and will bush out better if you deadhead it. And another good thing about it is that it doesn't require a lot of watering. So for someone who has a very busy work schedule, this will be quite an ideal animals to consider in your landscape, because you can see how beautiful it is in my landscape. And I am actually planting it in my prime spot at my front yard. Together next to it I have the coleus, and I have the background, I have the caladium, and it just provides such a bright light, like if I just brighten up the entire space for me, if you can see that. And this is a spot I put at the morning sun, and last year I put it at a more sun location. It actually grew pretty big for me. I think it grew all the way to 3 feet times 2 feet last year. Now this is a very small plant when I get it. I think it's only a 4 inches plant, so it takes its time. I planted it in March, and it bushed out really well for me. So if you actually like deadhead it, you trim it after the bloom, it will actually bush out really well. Instead of if you don't deadhead it, it will actually grow tall for you. But then when it grows tall, it might get like fall down easily during the storm time. So I do recommend you all to actually trim it, because it looks nice this way. Yes. So very heat tolerant. Nothing get burnt in our sun, which is why I like it. And you can see the leaf is actually not the glossy type, actually pretty thin, but it can attract let me think. The only I would say pest that I can think of that I need to deal with it is actually white flies. Maybe because of this kind of leaf, they are very matty. They are very like really easy for bugs to attach. But only white flies I have a problem with. The rest, not so much. No disease. I do not have any disease, even though it's very hot and humid here. Very cute, fluffy in the middle. The bloom lasts quite some times. And I do not really fertilize it at all. So I did not even fertilize it. And it would just keep going and going and going. So if you fertilize it, of course, I think it's going to bloom more and grow more. But I have a very busy schedule, so I do not really have time to always pamper my plants. So I try to only pick the plants that do not require a lot of work. And this is a good pick for me. So this is a Sunfinity, and honestly, I have other Sunfinity sunflower in my garden as well. I probably will do another video about them. But this is, for me, the cutest one that they have. It's a Sunfinity Double Yellow. All right. I think that's all. It's a pretty straightforward one. So let me know if you have any question. Really love this variety, and hopefully hanging there. The heat is coming in. I already feel it today. It's all the way to 90s, and already took 2 days and I'm just hot. So hang in there, and hopefully we will get through a safe and not so crazy hurricane season for this summer. I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.